From a distance you can hear the sound of bees, and this is the land of bee nectar. We have planted this saget. In our language we call saga. These are the African vegetables whereby bees like their nectar. When bees collect nectar, they need a home. A very special home to keep their food. And this is the home. Today we are going to show you that when bees bring food home, they need a safe and cleaner place. This home is called a catcher box. It's a type of Langstroth, and we are going to show you the inner part. This catcher box has 7 frames, and it's normal for catching bees to a bigger hive. As you can see, this hive is not good for bees because it has some smell, and we are going to clean it for the bees to bring food home. This is where bees stay. Remember, bees, they don't like smell. Bees don't like bad smell. Bees like a cleaner place to save their food. Remember guys, if you are new here, keep on subscribing for more tutorials to come. As you can see, this hive has some cockroaches inside. This will make bees not to come in. For now, we will show you how to make this hive clean. Join us and take it to a catchment site. Remember, this catcher box is to carry the bees from the catching site to the apiary and transfer the frames to the brood box. This is the door or the entrance. We have created a gate that when you carry them, you close. The reason why we put this gate is when we carry the catcher box, bees will not come out to sting you. Remember, when bees bring food home, they need a cleaner place to stay to save their food. First, we need to bring in a boiled water that is combined with the lemongrass leaves. These are lemongrass leaves with a scent of lemongrass oil, where you boil together so that you can remove the bad smell from the used hive. Brush the hive careful, then pour your hot water that is mixed with the lemongrass leaves. We mix water with the lemongrass leaves so that it can make the hive smell nice and also to attract bees. You can see wax, some wax on hot water. brush again, apply force so that you can remove all these dark areas. Make the frames clean and smell nice by use of lemongrass leaves. Remember guys, we have our honey, that is Envision pure honey, just from the hive. Take your frames and everything to dry on the sun. Remember guys, we have the house plan for the apiary. If you need it, you can just contact us on WhatsApp, the number below, so that we can send it to you to your email. It has all the measurements that you need. Once your hive and the frames are dry, just return the frames. Our workshop is in Nairobi, behind Equity, Pare Kariopangi. If you need the hives, you can just call us. If you need the bee suit, all the requirements for beekeeping, you can just contact us on the number below. Bring in the lemongrass oil because it's the best for attracting bees. And this lemongrass oil takes 3 to 4 days for the hive to be colonized. We are going to do 2 drops or 1 drop. 2 is the maximum drop that you can do for the hive. Is 1 at the middle, and this is the 2nd drop. If you need the lemongrass oil, remember to call us on the number below, then we will parcel the lemongrass oil to your place. Then return your cover. Your hive is ready for catchment site. Take it to a catchment site. This is where we normally catch our bees, and we wait for 3 to 4 days to be colonized. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial has been so informative to you, and we hope to bring you more tutorials on beekeeping.